Hey, want to receive these curls? Stay tuned for another awesome video. After shampooing and deep conditioning my hair, I divide it into 4 sections. And in the last section there, I'm going to divide it in half again. Once divided, I put it into another section with another clip. And then I'm going to add more leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture with the black castor oil added in there. And I'm going to just brush it in using a Denman brush. Once you brush that product in, the moisture and the elasticity of that section of the hair increases, which will leave your hair looking better once you take out the Flexi Rods. So that's the only product that I basically use. So I'm going to take a small section, brush in the leave-in conditioner again, give you some eyebrow action, and I'm going to take a gray Flexi Rod and start at the corner of it with wrapping around my ends very securely, making sure that it is slick enough so there's no trashy ends. And then I'm just going to start twisting the hair, the Flexi Rod around the hair. It's kind of difficult doing this as my iPhone as my mirror for the moment, but it takes skill that you guys all have just to do this. And just bend up the top of the Flexi Rod. This method also helps with the hair being more stretched than another way of wrapping the hair around the Flexi Rod. So here's the first section already completed. By the time you reach this section, it is way too late to turn back, because there will come a point where you're going to question, why am I doing this with my life? This is very difficult. But it's all right, you're almost there. So once again, you put the hair at the very end of the Flexi Rod, wrap it around, make sure the ends are laying down because you put enough conditioner in your hair, leave-in conditioner, for it to be sleek enough. Then you're going to just twist the Flexi Rod around the hair, taking your time, making sure there's like a nice little flow going with it. Think of a candy cane at this moment. Merry Christmas to everyone. And you just fold it down. And the way how you want to make the curls fall is how you should part your hair. Ow. Here is the end product of the installed Flexi Rods. The middle needs some work right there, but I use different colors. You can also use purple if your hair is longer or if you want a larger curl from the Flexi Rods. I will then attach a satin hood to the blow dryer. I sit at my desk for about an hour and a half as my hair dries and I take care of some other things. So my hair is finally dry. It's the next morning, getting ready to go out, and I'm going to start unraveling the hair. Now this first one, my natural hair wants to be stubborn, and you see an extra curl popped in there. So I'm just going to take out another one and see how well that one came out. So you lift up the part you bent, slowly unravel it, and there you go. Very smooth, came out moisturized. I'm very happy. So it doesn't look like much when you take all of them out at first, but just stay around and look what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some olive oil, only $2.99 at the hair store. Take a little bit out, and as I am separating the curls, I'm going to put oil on it and start, giving it a little finger curl or finger coil, as some people would do it, just to make sure that the hair does not have any frizz. So this is halfway through separating each curl, and I'm now going to start stretching the hair with my pick halfway through. This way I wouldn't be pushing down on any curls in the front that I have already separated. So I just keep on picking that to make the hair look full. So by now, this is the last section. I just want to give you a close-up of how, iPhone problems. I just wanted to give you a close-up of how I separate the curls one more time. just for those who, probably didn't get the clearest view when I was starting with the back. And I continue separating, taking my time, and just being very careful of the ends. So then I take a pick, start separating, actually stretching. And then I realized maybe I didn't want that part there. So I just put everything together, give myself a little bang there, and just continue stretching the hair with the pick. I've seen some YouTubers really stretch out the hair, but I just didn't have that time that morning. So there we go, the finished product. Very proud, getting the Vaseline off my face. Just very happy with my end results. So it was gonna rain that morning when I was leaving, so I definitely put on this big bonnet as another way to maintain the curls, or you can do a pineapple with a scarf around it. So there you have it, how to achieve some nice moisturized curls using Flexi Rods.